That's a little bird's nest structure that Tim and Jill are standing by down there. Really similar to what I found in Utah, in the Angeles National Forest. Look at this. It's got a built-in perimeter there. And what's cool, which is, I wonder why it's dug out down there. You know what I mean?
Somebody dug it out a little bit.
Yeah, it's dug out in there.
And then you've got your tucked branches.
Yeah. It's interesting. It's almost like a walkway that Tim's going down. You see how it's dug out on this bank here, and it kind of curves and it goes over there.
The best part of it is this.
Oh yeah.
Someone reached up and pulled the branch down inside.
Pulled this branch and pushed it, or
This
pulled
side,
it
yeah, over the
to this side.
Well, this branch is actually,
And this one's weaved in,
yeah.
between, around that and in front of this to hold it down. That's awesome. It's crazy how there's structures in Canada that have the bird nest architecture. Utah, California now. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right.
All making phone calls to each other. All calling each other saying, "This is
So
the
cool.
latest design."
Look how round it is in there, though.
Nice flat area.
Nice flat area in there. You can see where it's been dug out.
That'd be good.